Good morning, everyone. Um, Time flies. This is what a lot of people told me last August when I arrived, and I cannot agree more. I've been here exactly 10 months and 1 day today, and I have 1 week left. This exchange was for me the chance to go on more adventure, to be around good energy and connect with people. I wanted to learn new things, and most importantly, I wanted to grow up. I opened myself up to the world in a different way, and I learned to know who I am and who I wanted to be. This exchange taught me to appreciate the simple things in life that I used to take for granted. But mainly, this exchange taught me more about friendship. I remember how nervous I was during my first day of school. The whole time I was telling myself, it's okay, you can do this, just try to look cool, and honestly, I wasn't feeling good at all. But I've been lucky, and I met people that affected my life so much more than anyone else before. And I met people that I can call now my best friends. Saying that this year was easy would be lying. It just took me a lot of courage. And you know, when you go somewhere and you don't know anyone or anything and that everyone is speaking a different language, well, it's not easy. But I'm glad I came and stepped out of my comfort zone. And yeah, I don't know how many times I actually asked myself why I was putting myself through this and what I was doing here. You know, making a big life change is scary. But you know what's even scarier? Regrets. And I can tell you now that I do not regret any single step I've taken. I found a place to call home and people that I can now call my family. And today, by standing here in front of you, I realize how lucky I am to have something that makes goodbye so hard. I would like to thank you, the school. Thank you for letting me be a part of it as a proper student and not only the French girl. Thank you for the one who welcomed me so well, to the year 11 in particular. Thank you for the friendship, the laugh, the tears. Thank you for letting me be a part of your lives and changing mine. I know days will pass and turn into years, but these 10 months of my life will never be forgotten. Thank you.